Believe it or not, this is everything I need. Setup on a sweat tent takes minutes, literally minutes. The tent's fully up, very easy, fresh out of the bag. And there's quite a few things I'm noticing that are different as Sweat Tent evolves and continues growing as a company and selling more of these tents around the world and testing them. There's definitely some things I'm noticing. What I like is this is a big metal connector where all these poles connect in, and it can get pretty hot. So this is new. They're putting some fabric material, the same material as the sweat tent, over that metal to prevent people from accidentally leaning into that and burning. They've also really doubled up on the layering on the side that the stove's gonna be on. This is where our stove's gonna be, so there's gonna be a lot of additional heat right there. So I've never seen an issue on the fabric itself, but just doubling up and putting a more durable material right where the stove heat is gonna be is pretty awesome. The air vent at the bottom is massive, so there's gonna be a lot of fresh air flowing in right here where the stove will be. And then it'll heat that air up. And then they put an exhaust vent up here at the top of the tent. This used to be down low as well. This is a new addition, which is great. It's gonna create circulation in here, fresh air. But let's keep setting it up. Let's bring the stove inside. This is the weather guard. Basically, live in Florida, it's gonna rain a lot. I'm gonna keep this up semi-permanently, and this will protect the roof from discoloring. Also, give a little added protection from rain and weather. Basically, the last piece is the chimney top, just like that. And the sweat tent is 100% set up. You wanna grab two? Okay, bro. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna put that one just underneath it in the teepee. So set it inside there. Here's letting gas out. Ready? All right. Just like that. Is a sweat tent all you really need? So it took me about 5-10 minutes to set this entire sauna up. Took me another few seconds to put a couple pieces of wood in the stove and my fire starter. My son wanted to help me start the fire, which is always fun. And within about 15 minutes, my sauna is right around 180 plus degrees, and I am already sweating being in here. So I don't know. Is a sweat tent sauna all you really need? I could fit 4 people in here, maybe more. I have 2 benches and plenty of room in here. It's comfortable, it's portable. It's big, got good views out these windows. Is a sweat tent sauna all I really need? Well, you can spend under $2,000 and have a full-size sauna that takes up about a 7-foot by 7-foot space. Put it anywhere in your yard. It needs to be outdoors. That's about the only possible downside. If you want to have an indoor sauna, this isn't it. But if I had an outdoor space and I wanted a full-size sauna that can get really blazing hot really fast, I think a sweat tent sauna might be all you need. And I know there's plenty of other sauna options out there. Many of them are more expensive. Some of them are made even cheaper. But I've been reviewing Sweat Tent for about 2 years now, and I know of over 1,000 people who have purchased this sauna and created incredible memories with their families. So I think I'm gonna stick by their side. I think a sweat tent sauna might be kind of all you really need. Yeah, I'm happy with this. It's a great sauna at a great price.